যারা কোরআনকে অগ্নিস্ফুলন বিশুদ্ধ করে যারা অভিযান করে প্রভাতকালে এবং সেই সময় ধূলি উত্থিত করে শুক্রবারের অভ্যন্তরে ঢুকিয়া পড়ে।
Bangladesh University was established to open a broader horizon of education through facilitating the higher education for middle class families. This has been possible only and only to single effort of the dedication of former founder Vice Chancellor late Qazi Azhar Ali. Late Qazi Azhar Ali was really a dreamer of better tomorrow. His unique creation, the students like his own children and all colleagues are here, but the great personality is not among us. We now become getting back. Really we miss him. His cooperation and his responsibilities like a father to all students. May I request you all for standing and silence keeping for 1 minute for the peace of his departed soul, please. At first, I would like to request Ms. Sami, the presentation of bouquet, the chief is Mr. Qazi Jamil Azhar. Then I would like to request Ms. Kia for the presentation of bouquet, Mr. Mahbubul Karim. And then I would like to request Ms. Amruna for the presentation of bouquet to Professor Dr. Ghulam Ali Faqih. And then I would like to request Mr. Hafsa for the presentation of bouquet to Mr. N.C. Dash. I would like to request Ms. Kani for the presentation of bouquet to our Honorable Head of the Department, Dr. Koinur Begum.
Now we would like to introduce to you all about the Bangladesh University and now.
Bangladesh University started its journey in October 2001 with 12 students in its own building, which is generally rare for several other private universities. Now we are running 13 departments, with a crowd of about 3,000 students. Simply, PU is a Center for Excellence accredited by the Government of People's Republic of Bangladesh, and its curricula as well as the programs have been approved by the University Games Commission of Bangladesh. Department of Pharmacy started in June 2004 with 18 students. The aim was to provide a curriculum of study leading to the BPharm honors degree, a program that will exploit the modern pharmaceutical technology and assist in facing the pharmaceutical challenges of 21st century. From the Department of Pharmacy, 5 batches have already completed their BPharm honors. Our pharmacist graduates are completely efficient for the latest research-oriented pharmaceutical sciences. They have already shown their talents in different pharmaceutical industries as their profession. We are proud of our graduates. Up to now, we have enrolled a total 16 batches at the Department of Pharmacy of our university, which contains more than 3,350 students, and all of them are meritorious and has the potential to be a pharmacist of international standard. Our standard of teaching and lab facilities are gradually improving. The efforts and guidelines provided by Professor Dr. Mohammad Ghulam Ali Faqih have given us a new level of strength to uplift the department. We are sure of the fact Pharmacy Department of Bangladesh University will be the leading department of pharmacy in the South Asia. Dr. Kohinoor Begum is the newly appointed head of the Department of Pharmacy. She is a well-known personality in the pharmaceutical sector of Bangladesh. She was given the charge of head of the Department of Pharmacy last month. Within the short period of time, she has taken initiatives to uplift the department up to a new level of strength. If the proper cooperation is provided from the video authority and the surroundings, we hope she will be able to introduce the Department of Pharmacy of BU as the leading pharmacy department in Bangladesh. May I now request our Honorable Head of the Department of Pharmacy, Dr. Kohinoor Begum, to welcome all the guests.
Honorable Chairman, today's seminar, Professor Dr. Ghulam Ali Faqih, Vice Chancellor in charge, Chief Guest Mr. Kazi Jamil Azhar, President Board of Trustees, keynote speaker Mr. Al Mahmoud Karim, Operation Director, Technical Operation in Center Pharmaceuticals, Advisor of Pharmacy Department Mr. Nitai Das, General Manager, Quality Control, Quality Assurance, R&D in Popular Pharmaceuticals Limited. Heads, colleagues, and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you present here. Seminar on role of a pharmacist in pharmaceutical industry. Keynote speaker, Mr. Al Mahmoud Karim. In USA and UK, most of the pharmacists are working in community pharmacy, as a community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, and retail pharmacist. And only few pharmacists are working in pharmaceutical industry. In our country, most of the pharmacists, more than 95% pharmacists are working in pharmaceutical industry. And our curriculum is designed as such. Total 28 numbers of students have completed their graduation from Bangladesh University, and all of them are working in pharmaceutical industry. So role of a pharmacist is very important in pharmaceutical industry. I believe you will learn a lot from this seminar, and you must listen attentively. If you have any question in your mind, you may ask afterwards. I hope we will arrange more these types of activity that will help you in academic as well as your professional life. I am sure Bangladesh University will be enriched by the dynamic leadership of Mr. Kazi Jamil Azhar, President, Board of Trustees, and Professor Dr. Ghulam Ali Faqih, Vice Chancellor in charge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for a very short welcome speech. We are too much pleased to receive Mr. N.C. Dash among us today. Mr. Dash is a famous pharmaceutical technologist of Bangladesh. He has been serving as General Manager in Quality Assurance and Quality Control in the reputed Popular Pharmaceuticals Limited. He has been serving the Department of Pharmacy of BU as an advisor for a long time. Mr. Dash, in the last couple of years, has offered a great cooperation for implant training and job opportunities for the students of the department. We expect the same cooperation in forthcoming days. May I request you, sir, for your valuable speech.
আগামী বছরের আপনাদের সকলকে আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে আমরা এমন একটা জায়গায় উপস্থিত হয়েছি যে বাংলাদেশ ইউনিভার্সিটিতে উন্নত ব্যক্তির জন্য আমরা ডে বাই ডে যে প্রক্রিয়া সৃষ্টি করেছিলাম এটাই ছিল তার প্রথম প্রয়াস। এখন আমাদের আজকে অনেক কিছু দীর্ঘ করে বলার কিছু নেই। আমরা হয়তো যেহেতু ইউনিভার্সিটিতে জড়িত আছি, আমরা আগামী দিনে আমরা অনেক অনুষ্ঠান করব এবং সকলকে আরো নতুন নতুন জিনিস উপহার দিতে পারবো। আজকে আপনাদের মাঝে যাকে উপস্থিত করা হয়েছে তিনি বাংলাদেশ ফার্মাসিউটিক্যাল ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে যতগুলি গুরু আছে তার মধ্যে উনি একজন গুরু। জীবনের বাস্তব অভিজ্ঞতা এবং ওনার প্রতিভা সেইগুলোর সম্বন্ধে আমরা আজকে শুনবো এবং আমরা কিছু শেয়ার করব এবং আমরা মনে করি ওনার এই পদক্ষেপ এবং ওনার এই বক্তব্য আমাদেরকে অনেক দূর আগে নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য সহায়তা করবে। আমরা অনেক কিছু মনে নিব এবং সেই সঙ্গে আমরা মেনে নিব। মনে না নিয়ে মেনে নেওয়াটাই আমাদের কাজ। আমরা যদি মেনে রাখি অদূর ভবিষ্যতে আমাদের কি হবে, আমরা একদম দক্ষ ফার্মাসিস্ট হিসেবে তৈরি হয়ে যাব। সুতরাং আমরা মেনে নেওয়ার জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিয়েছি এবং আজকে আমরা সুস্থ সুন্দরভাবে বক্তব্যগুলো শুনবো এবং কারো যদি কোনো কিছু কোশ্চেন থাকে আমরা সেই কোশ্চেনগুলো ক্লিয়ার করে নিয়ে আমরা আমাদের সেমিনারকে শেষ করে দেবো। ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you for your valuable speech. The keynote speaker of today's seminar is Mr. Al-Mamun Mahbubul Karim. He passed B.Pharm in 1976 and M.Pharm in 1977 from the University of Dhaka. He was the head of bulk doses manufacturing department from 1980 to 1984 and head of solid doses manufacturing department from 1984 to 1989 at the Roni Collins Rohrer Bangladesh Limited, that is known as now Sanofi Aventis. He was also manager of production department of Novartis Bangladesh Limited from 1989 to 1991 and was the director of technical operations of the same pharmaceuticals from 1981 to 2004. In addition, he was the trainer of Novartis Group for total quality management in Bangladesh till 2004. He was also the regional auditor for Novartis Group in Asia Pacific till 2004. He has also been working as external examiner of Dhaka University since 1991. Since 2004 till today, Mr. Karim has been working as Director Technical Operations of Insider Pharmaceuticals Limited. We are too much pleased to receive the eminent personality in the field of pharmaceutical technology in Bangladesh as keynote speaker of today's seminar. May I request you, sir, for your keynote speech.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সাধারণত এই ধরনের সেমিনার আমি প্রথম যেটা শুরু করেছিলাম ইন দ্য ইয়ার 1991, যেটা আমার এখনো মনে আছে। দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য ফার্স্ট সেমিনার যেখানে আমার সামনে ছিল প্রায় 13টা দেশের লোক। 13টা দেশের লোকের সামনে যখন আমি আমার লাইফের ফার্স্ট প্রেজেন্টেশন দেওয়ার জন্য দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম, I still remember those days, those moments, যখন আমার মনে হচ্ছিল যে আমার পা কাঁপাকাঁপি শুরু হয়ে গেছে। বাট it was just within a minute's time, Allah's rahmate, I managed myself. And that is one of the blessings that I still remember that came from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And তারপর থেকে কন্টিনিউয়াস সেমিনার লেকচার এগুলো চলে এসেছে। টুডে যে সাবজেক্টে এসেছে, it is the role of a pharmacist in pharmaceutical sector. এখানে যে জিনিসটা আছে, I will try to brief you in a very short expression. কিন্তু তারপরেও তোমাদের যেটা বুঝতে হবে, I'm addressing you like to be, আপনাদের বুঝতে হবে যে the job of the pharmacist in pharmaceutical industry is shrinking. Why? Because now we have only about 250 pharmaceutical industry in Bangladesh, and out of that, only 18 companies, they are contributing about 80% of the total sales.